Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to edit your story privacy on Facebook so you stay in control of who sees what you share. Whether you post daily updates, photos, or quick moments, adjusting your story audience can make a huge difference in your privacy and comfort online. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines. This is the menu icon. Tap on it to open your account menu. Once you're in the menu, scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Tap on it and then select Settings. This will take you to a full list of options that control your account's privacy, security, and visibility. Now, under the section called Audience and Visibility, select Stories. This is where you can manage how your stories appear and who gets to see them. Once you're in the Stories settings, look for the option labeled Who Can See Your Stories. Tap on it to open your audience choices. Here, you'll see several options. You can choose Public, which allows anyone on or off Facebook to view your stories. If you prefer to share with just people you know, select Friends. And for extra privacy, tap Custom to pick specific friends who can or can't see your stories. After you've chosen your preferred audience, your new privacy setting saves automatically. The next time you post a story, it will be shared only with the audience you've selected. That's it. You've just updated your story privacy on Facebook. It's quick, simple, and helps you feel more in control of your content. Don't forget to check back on your settings from time to time. Facebook updates its features often, so it's always good to stay current. Thanks for watching.